Solve the following equation. Negative 6 times the quantity x minus 10 plus 10 equals 5 minus 3x. Well, on the left-hand side, we need to use the distributive property. We have to take this negative 6 and multiply it by both terms inside the parentheses. When we do that, we get negative 6x plus 60 plus 10 equals 5 minus 3x. Now the next step, we want to combine like terms if there are any. So on the left-hand side, we see that we do have two like terms. 60 and 10, those are just constants. We can combine them. When we do that, we get negative 6x plus 70, because 60 plus 10 is 70, equals 5 minus 3x. We want to get all of our x's on one side of the equation, so I'm going to take this minus 6x from the left, and to undo subtracting 6x, we need to add 6x to both sides. So when we do that, we get 70 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Now we need to take this 5 and move it over using our inverse operations. So we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. When we do that, 65 is equal to 3x. Remember, 3x is 3 times x, so to undo multiplying by 3, we're going to divide both sides by 3. And again, we can just leave this as a fraction. So x is equal to 65 over 3.